Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's find, first of all, your contact list and the contact you'd like to edit. So for example, with the usage of the dialer, it's up to you. And then find and tap on the contact. Tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So now let's tap on this circle or simply add picture. And here we've got some albums, some sections from which we can choose the photo from. So device photos, Google Photos and illustrations. Just by tapping on the camera, you can open the camera app and take a photo right away, or choose something from the gallery. Google Photos are those which are backed up, and illustrations, they are free of charge, and I highly recommend to check those options because they're really nice and they will be extremely useful, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of the person you'd like to customize contacts for. I will choose something from the gallery, so let me tap on it and choose the photo, and here in this step you can either zoom in and out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.